Today I decided to review the top 5 best fire starter for outdoor on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I trying to list them based on that price, quality, durability and more. So let's get started with the video. At number 1, Holtzman's versatile, lightweight and highly portable fire striker kit will become your go-to fire starting tool for your next backpacking, camping, hunting, fishing, trekking or hiking adventures. Hard to break, sturdy and easy to use. Comes with deluxe gift box, ready to surprise your loved ones. Number 2. Cobra Gear. Multi-tool high-capacity steel striker that has a concave tinder scraper, straight edge striker, ruler, bottle opener and lastly a hex wrench. Made up of rust-free ferrocerium. Comes with 6 feet of military-grade corrosion-resistant paracord that has a pull force of 485 pounds, useful for any survivor and situation. Customer satisfaction ensure. Number 3. Holtzman's. Start over 12,000 fires with a single ferro rod. Eye-popping handcrafted wood handle. Take your outdoor survival tools collection to the next level with slick-looking flint striker tools. Designed to produce steel melting sparks even in the harshest weather conditions. Number 4. Ipalmay. Safety design. The built-in thermal safety switch cuts power to the unit when overheated and will automatically reset after it cools down. Light in 60 seconds. Using this lighter as a quick and effective way to ignite your lump charcoal, briquettes, wood chips, chunks or pellets, ideal for ceramic grills, charcoal barbecues. 1-year warranty. Number 5. Exotac. Snap-in striking tool. Ultra-sharp tungsten carbide striking tool. Ferrocium rod works when wet. Up to 10,000 fire-starting strikes. Made in the USA. So if you're looking for quality and price then this would be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these fire starter, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below, and if you found it helpful please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.